I'm looking for shape, size, feather condition. On these opines, if you look at the head, that's got a bit more what we call flecking on it. It's a darker flecking on it than this one has. This one is what they call the miniature budgie. These are more true to the original Australian budgie. If you see above, you see the brown on its beak. If it's brown, it's a hen. If it's blue, it's a cock. I've already judged the cocks, so I'm now on with the hens. So, like this one's standing quite nicely. The others have been lazy. Or they haven't had plenty of training. You see, this is nice tight feathers. It's a nice typey bird, is that. These are more, as I say, are more to the original Australian budgie guy. It's quite nice, it's quite typey, but I know it's like half the size of this one. Really, it should be in a class of its own, a miniature class. If it were in a miniature class, it'd have won hands down. But they put it in with large feathered birds, so you can't give it the same marking as you can the larger bird.